Welcome to Glitch Radar, where we decode the wildest tech headlines of the week, faster than Elon Musk tweets at 3 a.m. Buckle up, it's gonna get glitchy. First up, the iPhone 16, more expensive than a kidney in 2024. Apple dropped the iPhone 16 this week, and apparently they expect us to sell our souls to afford it. Apple finally decided to do the right thing by adding both RCS and USB-C. RCS is something Android users have been bragging about for years. It's like Apple just realized that texting in 2024 shouldn't feel like sending a telegram. Welcome to the future, Apple. We've been waiting for you. Additionally, Apple was like, "You wanted USB-C?" And we were all like, "Yeah, 5 years ago." So thanks, Apple, for charging $1,200 for a feature that Europe forced you to add. Apple's move to add USB-C isn't just about convenience. It's the end of their famous Lightning port monopoly. This change could lower accessory prices and make life easier for anyone tired of carrying 20 different cables. iPhone 16's new features could make it a solid investment, if you can afford it. Next up, NASA confirms it's developing the moon's new time zone. Yes, we're officially planning time for a rock that literally orbits us. The White House directed NASA to make this happen by 2026, so you know what this means. In just 2 years, we'll be able to ask, what time is it on the moon? And Siri still won't have a clue. With plans for more lunar missions and the rise of private space travel, we're preparing for a future where people might be living and working on the moon. So yeah, it's not just sci-fi anymore. Space travel is becoming real, and we're setting our watches for it. United Airlines just announced they're partnering with SpaceX's Starlink to power their free Wi-Fi. Yep, forget struggling to load memes at 30,000 feet. Soon, you'll be streaming snakes on a plane while on a plane. And get this, they claim the actual retrofitting of planes will only take 2 days. That's faster than my Amazon Prime order arriving. Starlink's low-orbit satellites mean faster and more reliable internet on flights. Free, fast Wi-Fi on planes could change the entire in-flight experience, especially for frequent flyers and remote workers. Elon Musk is back on his mad scientist vibes. Neuralink just got an FDA breakthrough tag for its Blindsight implant. This thing could potentially restore vision to people with certain types of blindness. Pretty soon, we'll all be walking around with Wi-Fi in our brains and night vision mode. I'm just hoping Musk doesn't push an over-the-air update that turns us all into bots. FDA approval means that Neuralink's tech could help millions of people regain their sight or prevent blindness. Neuralink's advancements could revolutionize how we treat neurological conditions, bringing us closer to merging man and machine in ways that improve quality of life. Next up, we've finally made it to the future. You can now apply for a US passport online. No more standing in line at the post office like you're in a 1995 time loop. The era of snail mail for passports is over, people. This update isn't just convenient. It's going to save a lot of people time and stress. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just someone who dreads paperwork, this is a huge step toward digitizing government services and making things more efficient. Plus, no more awkward post office trips where you forget the one document they always need. Speaking of freedom, OpenAI just announced it's moving away from its super complicated nonprofit structure next year. That's right, folks, the AI overlords are officially here to make money. But don't worry, they'll still keep a little nonprofit division so we can all feel better about the robots replacing us at work. This is huge because OpenAI has been a leader in the AI space. Their shift towards a for-profit model means they'll likely scale faster, attract more investors, and push AI innovation even further. But it also raises some concerns about how AI ethics and accessibility will evolve when profits are at the forefront. Either way, it's something we all need to keep an eye on, because the future of AI is going to affect everything. All right, that's all for this week's tech craziness. We've seen it all, from space Wi-Fi to moon time zones and robot brains. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch next week's episode, where we'll probably cover even weirder stuff. This is Glitch Radar, and I'll catch you in the next glitch.